Let's be honest. Photoshop is expensive, and most AI editors are locked behind a monthly subscription. But what if you could remove backgrounds, change your clothes, adjust your pose, and even turn yourself into an action figure for free with zero sign-up? Today we're looking at imageeditor.online. It's a browser-based AI powerhouse that actually is easy to use, and I'm going to show you how to master its best features. Let's dive in. When you first land on the site, you'll see the workspace. The secret sauce here is the model selection. Unlike other editors that use one generic AI, this site gives you options like Nano Banana for quick edits, Flux Context Pro for high-end realism, and even Ideogram 3.0. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Choose your model. If you want high detail realism, go with Flux or Nano Banana Pro. Step 2. Drag and drop your image right here. It supports JPEG, PNG, and WebP up to 16 megabytes. No accounts, no waiting, just upload and go. Now, here's where it gets fun. You don't even need to know how to write complex AI prompts. See these buttons? They're like one-click superpowers. For example, if you love your face in a photo but hate the stiff posture, use Change Pose to tweak your stance. If you need a professional headshot but you're wearing a hoodie, click AI Close and tell it to give you a suit. How about this background remover? It's one of the cleanest I've ever seen. Perfect for e-commerce or YouTube thumbnails. An AI action figure? This is my favorite. It literally turns you into a high-quality collectible toy. How cool is that? Simply click a preset or type exactly what you want in the prompt box, then hit generate, and within seconds you've got a great result. Whether you're a content creator needing a quick thumbnail, a student making a poster, or just someone who wants to fix a vacation photo, this tool's a game changer. It's fast, it's free, and you don't even have to give them your email. Go try it for yourself at imageeditor.online. I'll leave a link in the description. Hey, if this video helped you save some time today, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI filmmaking and editing tutorials. I'm Jay Haynes for the hit film Sensei YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.